Welcome to all of you. Today we learn the subject science of standard 7. Lesson number 2, plants, structure and function. The word structure means the part of plants and function means what work they do. Let's recall, in standard 6 we have learned the diversity of plants and various part of plants. Children, do you know which are the various part of plants? As flower, leaf, bud, fruit, stem, roots are the various part of plants. Today we going to study part of plants and function, what are the work they do. Do you see the seed of different plants? Yes, this is the picture of various different seeds. Now we see what is seed. Seed is a small round or oval object produced by a plant and from which a new plant is born. A seed has two main parts. First is plumule and second is radicle. Now we see the video. We see how the plant grow from the seed. Now we see the formation of root. This is the picture of formation of root. In this picture we see plumule and radicle. Plumule is the part of seed that grows above the soil and forms stem and leaves. And radicle is the part of seed that grows towards the soil and forms roots. Now we see the different types of roots and their functions. First we see what are roots. Roots are the part of plants that grows under the soil for support. The root is a thick near the ground, gradually tapers to a pointed end. They collect water and minerals from the soil. This is the picture of roots. There are the two types of roots. First is the taproot and second is fibrous roots. First we see the taproots. This is the structure of taproots. The roots of some plants produce secondary roots that grows obliquely and spread far and wide in the soil. This plant of root is called as the taproot. Taproot is the main root of plants. See this, in this picture we see the secondary roots. Roots bear hair-like processes near the root tips. These are root hairs. The root tip is delicate. This is the region of the growth of the root. The tip is covered by a cap-like structure called as root cap. The root cap protects the root tip from injuries. See this picture, we see the secondary root, primary root and root hair, and at the end there is a root tip, and root tip is covered with a cap-like structure, that is root cap. The example of taproot is radish and turnip. Now we see the fibrous root. A thread-like or fiber-like roots arising from the stem are called fibrous roots. The example of fibrous root is onion. In dicotyledonous plants have tap roots while monocotyledonous plants have fibrous roots. The example of fibrous root is onion and grass. Now we see adventitious roots. Some roots grow from the stem just above the soil. These are called as adventitious roots. Example is maize, sugarcane and sorghum. Now we see modified roots. Beside the normal function like absorption of water, minerals, anchoring and supporting the plants, root perform some other function too. Roots show some modification to perform additional function called as modified roots. The example is aerial root, stilt root, runners, breeding roots. Today we learn the roots and different types of roots. Tomorrow we will learn next topic. Thank you.